name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki. And today I decided I would film. I was supposed to film this yesterday, and I didn't because I had some really terrible news. So yeah, it's just a little quick tutorial because I've been trying to practice doing softer looks because I'm always wearing some bright color or some bold color or doing something crazy. So I'm going to be using the ABH Prism as well as my Funkhouser Decadence palette to create a soft look. I'm probably going to be using, well, I used Unity already to set my concealer. I'm probably going to be using Eden, Lure, and a little bit of Parallel. So this one, and a little bit of that in my crease and outer corner to create a soft look. And on my lower lash line, I'll probably do Saturn, which is this. And then the Decadence palette is just for my brow. No, I'm going to use Hello Gregory for my brow. So the Decadence palette is just going to be for my inner corner highlight. So, let's get started. I find that for me, because I'm not used to doing these kinds of looks, doing soft looks is really hard. So I'm going to go into Lure first, which is that, it's like a nude, it's like a nude mauve almost, not completely, almost. And it's kind of hard to see with this ring light, even like on camera it's hard to see, but when I take the pictures you'll be able to see it. But I think it's a really pretty color. I don't wear it as often as I would like, and I don't know why. Like, I use it a few times, like at least three times before today. I've used this shade at least three times. I should use it more though because it's actually really pretty. And then I'm going to go into Eden, which is that peachy coral shade. I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild brush that came in that Rebel Rose collection thingy. I think I'm going to add a little bit of Saturn just to blend these two together better, because that looks really, this looks like an Easter look, and that's not the look we're going for. But these two colors together are reminding me of Easter right now. So I think I'm going to put a little bit of Saturn somewhere in there. Still going to be a soft look though. I'm surprised I didn't grab my Makeup Shack palette, because holy cow, I'm obsessed with that. I'm obsessed with the Rainforest palette, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm like legit obsessed. This is a really pretty color. And then I'm gonna take maybe this Morphe brush. This is the Morphe E15. I'm gonna like take the side of it and a little bit of Saturn, which is supposed to go on my lower lash line, and just like put that right there. A little more. I'm gonna take the brush that this palette came with and use that end to blend that together. And then I'm going to take Parallel, which is that brown shade, take a little bit of it, not too much. And right there into the crease. So so far so good. I actually like this. I don't do looks like this, so it's a little weird, but I like it. So now I'm going to be taking this ColourPop liner because I want to practice using this one more. This is numero uno. I'm going to take this and do a little, I'm going to try to do a little wing. And I think I'm going to do the right one on camera and then do the left one off camera, because whenever I do it on camera, the left one always comes out too long and then I get, yeah. So I'm going to do this one right now. Pray for me. It's so choppy and I don't know why. I don't know why it's so choppy. You probably can't see it because, you know, but it's like really like do. And I hate that. I'm gonna have to fix that with the white one or something, because this looks crazy. But I'm gonna go off camera and do this. I haven't done a little baby wing like this in a long time. I'm gonna go off camera and do the left side. And I'll be back. So I'm back, and I really tried my best to fix this liner, but you know, we're just gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it. So it's a learning experience. We're gonna leave it. Lower lash line. I did put lashes on. You probably can't tell because I bought them in Korea. They're called Teenage Girl. As creepy as that sounds. So I put them on because they look more natural. Okay, maybe not this one because the mascara is making this one look really black. And they're sticking together. Don't stick together. Don't do that. Don't do it. Okay, that looks better. But yeah, they're called Teenage Girl. Don't know why they called them that, but that's what they called them. By the brand Volve Cosmetics. It's a Korean brand. So we're gonna do the lower lash line. I am not going to put on any liner on my bottom lashes. I'm just going to take that shade Saturn on one of my brushes. Probably this one. I'm gonna take the shade Saturn. Actually, first I'm gonna take Lure, which is that iridescent white shade in my palette that's almost gone. I'm gonna take that first and put it like that. I have to keep dipping because it's literally, I don't know if you saw it in the palette when I showed the palette, but the shade is basically, I'm basically hitting corners at this. I'm sorry, not Lure, Lucid. I'm basically hitting corners. Because I can't find my white liner, and I know I have one because I also bought that in Korea. And then using the same brush because I want to mix it, take the shade Saturn and right underneath that. I just saw the weirdest commercial for Capri Sun, and I don't know what to do with my life anymore. These commercials these days are crazy. And if you can hear the fan above my head, my apologies. I always poke myself in the eye. Luckily this stuff doesn't irritate my eyes. And then I'm going to take my Bad Gal Bang. I always put this on my lower lashes. I make really ugly faces when I put mascara on. And I'm doing this because, like, I love my Funkhouser mascara, but I don't have it in here. Oh, this works. Alright. Like, when I put them on, I use the Funkhouser first, but took it out of here. So, ew, there's a brush hair on my tongue. I can feel it. I got it. Now for blush. Blush, I'm going to be taking this Bretman Rock ColourPop. Ooh, she's blushing. A little swivel. A little swivel. A little swivel. And with this color, I do it like this because if you go like that, it's just like this huge red line on your face. And can you see my pimple? Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? It's trying to be the star of the show because it wasn't this big an hour ago. I feel like the makeup is irritating it, but that's fine. It's totally fine. And then I'm gonna take the Benefit California, which is like a highlighter and blush in one. I actually really like this look. Go me. Mom's gonna be happy because she does not like when I do super, I don't know why, but she doesn't like when I do my bold looks. For the record, I didn't do it on camera, but I did take my Hello Gregory highlight, and I did highlight my brow bone. So now I'm going to go into the Decadence palette and the shade Holy Moly. That's not the name of the shade. I'm saying Holy Moly because one of the colors broke a little bit, and so it's all over the palette. And that's because I dropped this over the weekend. My sister had a birthday party, and I didn't take any pictures because I was having fun with my sister. And I dropped it, and Tipsy at Noon kind of broke. Like you can see in the corner, I don't want it to fall, but like it broke here, so like it's all piled up, you know. And that's the shade I'm going to be using for my inner corners. I use this shade a lot in my inner corner. Nerves, plural, because it's so pretty. I have to get another one of these palettes. That's how much I love this palette. I'm definitely gonna have another one, and I want the Dream State. He has another one that's really pretty. I'll just get all 4 of the palettes and call it a day, eh? He also has really good brushes. I want all of his brushes. I have 2. I want all of them. So there's the inner corner. We're almost done. Wow. Lips. I have these 3. I have a ColourPop Lippy Pencil, Dukes. It's almost gone. Then I have my ColourPop Lippy Stick in Cookie, and then my mini Lippy Stick. It's not the full size one. And then my Funkhouser Hyper Real Hydrating Gloss in Definitely Maybe. I'm going to use these 3 things to do my lip. Why these 3? Because, well, I have to line my lips, because if you can't tell, the line of my lips is the same color as my skin. So I would like to define my lips better. And then I don't want to do a crazy dark color, so I'm going to use Cookie because it's a really pretty nude on me. So, yeah. And minus the shirt, this is a finished look. I really like it, even though the eyeliner kind of, you know, made me a little angry, but whatever. That couldn't make me, it's just the fact, if you have the ColourPop liners, let me know, because for some reason, when I do it on its side, it's fine, but I like to, like, go like, and I turn it, and whenever I use the tip, it's like, and that's a little annoying, but other than that, I like it. I like it a lot. There you go. I twisted my hair too tight. Now I gotta fluff it out. Floofy. That's it for this video. Any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. I will see you all maybe tomorrow or Thursday, but definitely on Friday. Bye.